Hello and welcome to the channel. I want to start this week with another update about Assetara. I'm going to perform a withdrawal on camera. If everything goes like the previous ones, we should receive it in just a couple of seconds. It's been a few months since I got started testing this platform. Things are going fine. My account is growing little by little. I already completed 2 staking cycles using the Assetara token, as you can see it right there. But I also have the regular USD plan where we can collect profits daily. I've been compounding 20% of my profits. And if I click right here, we can see the performance of this bot, the total PNL, the win rate. Right here below, we can see the open positions. You can see here the returns in each one of the trades. 3%, 1%, 13%, 18%. The leverage, but actually those returns depends on the plan. If we come right here to trading copilot, and when you click in advance, you have the chance to see the packages just by clicking right here where it says starter, which is the first plan where we can get started with only 10 USDT up to 2,500 USDT, and that is giving a 1% daily. That's the plan I took. I think I put my plan to the max, 140 days. And here I set the 20% compound. So here they are giving us the chance to build the plan the way we want it. Obviously, the first thing we need to do is deposit right here and receive. And then we're going to be able to just type the amount and activate our plan. According to the length you have here, you can have an extra bonus. And I got a bonus of 7% with my plan of 140 days. So yeah, that's how it works. Before we go to the withdrawal, I want to show you something. Here they have an option. It's called betting. We need to choose here if the price of Bitcoin or any of these coins is going to go up or down. And this is using Assetara. That's how we can collect extra points. Also here in surveys. Right now, no surveys, but yeah, we can do the same there. Here in task, we can claim daily points like these ones. I'm going to do that right now. Those ones are going to be added right here, and I can use it to probably get a bigger price. Let's see, let's go. And well, we get another 5 steps, so they add those ones here, and I'm gonna try it again. Let's go. And what we get now, that is a special coupon code that if I copy it and I go to settings, let's see what is this. We go to settings and we click here in coupon codes. We paste it there, apply. I'm not sure what is this one for. Probably is to get some discounts and swapping fees, right? Something else right here in levels. I finally reached the level 2. That gave me some Assetara. Give me 1 key that I'm going to use it right now. Check it out. The key usually cost $1, but I got it here for free. So what I'm gonna do is use it to open any of these vaults, and sometimes we get some nice rewards. Let's try this one. It doesn't matter. Let's see what we got. No price behind this door. All right. Well, it doesn't matter. Let's go now to do the withdrawal. I have a balance of 55, and I'm going to claim it right now in USDT. The network is BIP20 as usual. And I'm going to claim all. All right. Now I need to provide my security PIN and 2FA and click confirm. I'll be back. Confirm, and great, your withdrawal request has been received. Let's see how long it takes. Usually is instantly. At this point, my opinion really hasn't changed. I still consider this a high-risk platform. We don't really know everything happening behind the scenes. That part hasn't changed, but at the same time, I can only share what I personally experience. My withdrawals have been arriving without any problems. The staking has been working. The extra activities are still there. The platform keeps adding small features. The Telegram community is quite active, I can tell you. These days, none of that is a guarantee, but at least we have an active participation and we can see faces behind this project. That's why I'm still running my test. Well, guys, I haven't received the withdrawal yet, but I'm going to post it right here in the screen so we can verify that is happening. Or you can also come to my Telegram group, and I'm always posting there updates in case I don't have the chance to make a video. That's all that I want to show you today. Thank you so much for your company. This was my update on Assetara. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. My name is Will, the Crypto Leader. I'll see you around.